Today I'm here to deliver a speech on the topic, what are my life goals and what am I doing on the daily basis to achieve them. So when people are asked about their life goals, they often talk about their future or what they want to become. But today we are going to talk about something less exciting but far more powerful than that. What I do when no one is watching. Because the truth is, goals aren't achieved on stages like this. It is achieved at ordinary places, at ordinary times, through very ordinary decisions. My life goal isn't just to succeed, it is to deserve success. I want to become someone who is ready to take on any opportunity which arises in their way, rather than a person who hopes for luck to save them. Every day I make a choice between comfort and discipline, between postponing my work or preparing for my future. When I get to study after a long day, no one is there to applaud for me. When I revise a lesson instead of scrolling on the phone, no one is there to record it. But this invisible movement builds something visible. That is my future. I once came across a line that stayed with me. The line was, the future is decided by what you do when the result is not immediate. This is exactly how I try to live my life. On the daily basis, I focus deeply on my education, not for marks alone, but for mastery. I ask myself a simple and honest question each day. Did I memorize this or did I understand this? This simple question may not seem like a lot, but this has changed the way how I used to learn things. I also try to work on my mindset. When I fail at something, I do not mark myself as failure. I mark myself as unfinished. Failure to me isn't a full stop, it is just a comma. I also try to build discipline by applying small rules in my life, like arriving on time, doing what I have started, or doing work even when motivation is absent. Because the truth is, motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. To conclude, my life goals aren't lying somewhere in the future. They are being built right now through my decision, through my choices, and through my consistency. What makes my journey different from others isn't my talent or confidence. It is the belief that I believe that great lives are built quietly, with no discipline and confidence. If I ever achieve success, it would be because I didn't dream more than the others. It would be because I didn't wait for motivation. I didn't wait for someone to applaud. I worked in the quiet until the quiet spoke for itself. Thank you.
Thank you, Aurav.